Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sangria at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need a bottle of dry red or white wine, about 1/4 cup of a sweetener like sugar or simple syrup, and a splash of your favorite spirit, perhaps brandy or an orange liqueur. Don't forget a good selection of fresh fruits, which are key to a delicious sangria. Now let's prepare the fruit. Start by thoroughly washing all your chosen fruits. For citrus, like oranges or lemons, slice them into thin rounds or wedges. Harder fruits, such as apples or pears, should be diced into small, bite-sized pieces. Feel free to add a handful of berries for an extra burst of color and flavor. It's time to combine everything. In a large pitcher, add your prepared fruit and the sweetener. Next, pour in the entire bottle of wine and your chosen spirit, perhaps about 1/2 cup. Stir all the ingredients gently to ensure they are well mixed. Give it a quick taste and adjust the sweetness or alcohol to your preference. The final step is crucial for flavor development. Refrigerate your sangria for at least 2 hours, allowing all those wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully. For the absolute best taste, chilling it overnight is highly recommended. When ready to serve, pour it over ice in individual glasses and garnish with a few fresh fruit slices. Enjoy your homemade sangria.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.